Bonan. Um, Parental neglect is so prevalent in the black community because black parents or black people do not understand their role in parenthood. Ukunganakekelwa nokungavikeleki nokungakhuliseki ngendlela kwabantwana kuyinto eqavile emphakathini wethu thina abantu ngenxa yokungaziqondi thina abantu ukuthi sizalelani, ukuthi why do we have kids, why do we bring these people here, and futhi what are our responsibilities. Uthini umthwalo wethu ngalabo abantu esibalethela emhlabeni. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengaye ukuthi uhlangane nomuntu uma ekuxoxela istory sakhe sempilo ukuthi impilo yakhe yafaila kuphi, uvele leso story sikhavwe nje sonke i-parental neglect. Kwashoda umzali, kwashoda umzali, kwashoda umvikeli, kwashoda umsibekeli, kwashoda umzali, umuntu ozomprotecta, amkhave, amphakamise lo muntu. Uyazi ukuthi lento iyangithinta kakhulu, especially kule topic esikhuluma ngayo, because senza izinto esizitshela ukuthi kufanele sizenze ngisho sikuma conditions angasivumi, ama conditions angekho favorable ukuthi siparente, sijole or sijabule. Thina as black people, we are economically castrated, sitheniwe ngokwezezimali. We are economically castrated. Basithena, basinqamla amasende. You understand? Ngokomnotho. We are not a group of people ofanele ngabe ilwela ukuzala unless we can provide and protect for those and protect our seed. Amandiya, umntwana nabelungu namakhalati, zonke lezi zizwe mongase ubone ukuthi success yazo ilele kuphi. They protect their kids until umntwana azaphumelele. They understand? Thina sizalela ukuthi abantwana basave thina. Laba bange bazalela ukuthi abantwana bapasse on, take over businesses and their legacies. A colored kid umeba nenkinga empilweni kuthiwa akabuyele ekhaya. Black kids mabe ziba nenkinga empilweni ziyampaya ziyibona. Noma zibuyele ekhaya zibuyela with shame and a sense of burdenhood. Because why? Black kids are supposed to save the family. They are born to save the family. Not ukuthi they are born to pass on the torch, to carry on the legacy. They are born to save the family. Black kids are born with umthwalo wokusave ifamily. Bazalelwa enkingeni bese kuthiwa yibona ofanele bakhiphe lo mndeni enkingeni. Sewuzaleliwe ke kuleyo nkinga, nawe wa-add inkinga. Ufuna kodwa leyo nkinga yakho ikhiphe enkingeni. You understand leso sinyokotho? Other races are having kids for legacy and blood and continuance, meaning but they are passing on something to their kids. Abantu abamnyama abantwana babo bazalela ukubathwesa imithwalo. You understand? Yizona lezo ngane ofanele bakhiphe kwi-poverty. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuhlangana nomuntu who has all the potential in the world, ushawe into eyodwa, poverty and parental neglect. Kuyahambisana futhi lezo zinto zozu-2 phezu kwempilo yakhe. I know the time I'm posting this video ngeke iduwe as well, ngeke futhi reach as well, but anginendaba le bengithe ngeke ngilale ngayishongo ukuthi sinje simanxiba sinje. Poverty and parental neglect. Anizi understand as black parents indima yenu ukuthi umntwana fanele umthwale azaphumelele. Hayi ukuthi umntwana umthwalele ukuthi aphumelelise wena. You are supposed to give to your kids, not your kids give to you. They understand that, Leon? And another thing, kunana lento eseniyenza ye-age limit ukuthi umntwana usekhulile manje useneminyaka emingaka umnikeni. Other kids are being set up, they are being facilitated. Uzama le cause aphume kule angaphumelele, angene kule angaphumelele, angene kule. yini na as umzali it is your responsibility ukuthi lo muntu umthwale aze abe umuntu. Nike nibabona abelungu nezingane zabo ema-rehab benza lonke uhlobo yini na you are saving your legacy. This person didn't ask to be here. But because niyazi nini ukuthi you guys are not having kids for the sake of legacy, you guys are having ama-insurance policy labo, Rosemary. You are hoping ukuthi one of these horses will bail you out of poverty. Ayikho into ebuhlungu eyenzeke ey'nganeni zabafana futhi eSouth Africa njengaleyo. Igazi lalaba bafana babamba inkunzi ababamba ama-manihist. Mina in the Council of Ancestors ngiyolibuza pheko oyise babo. Babe kuphi oyise? Igazi labafana laba basemajele ababhadle emajele abancane young kids abasemajele namuhla. Izono yonke leyo nyoko ababhekene nayo lonke lo vucu lwempilo ababhekene nayo. It is all your fault as parents who still insist on bringing kids kulo mhlaba ningabahlelelile. Niyakuromanticize nikwenza your birthright ukuletha abantu ukujolana nokulalana. Kodwa akuyona i-birthright yalabo bantwana nabantu aba-existayo ukuthi niba-establishele a legacy. Thina si-castrate-iwe financially as a black community. Ekucastrate-weni kwethu fanele vele siyibone ukuthi abana nje bathi-castrate financially. Fanele uzipho vele ngabe siwuvalile sifocus ekutheni na siyalwa selumbhidlango wokuthi kusasa labantwana bethu. Ngoba it's not just about me, it's about my sister's kids, my brother's kids. Hey, understand leyo nto. But ngenxa ukuthi siyathanda izinto eziyidakwamizwa, siyathanda ukuba numb. That's why you guys are having such a hard time grasping lento engiyishoyo. Ayikho into ebuhlungu ngiyaphinda njengokubona umuntu efa nepotential yonke ayoba nayo yini na due to parental abandonment, and abaningi babo they think it's their responsibility ukuthi bayithwale babekunikeni abazali bakho wayidestroya. Ulala ukhona babekunikeni wayidestroya ngoba babekulethele ipurpose la emhlabeni. AmaNdiya abelungu bamthwala umntwana azayimele athi aphelele umsebenzi kuthiwa woza ndodana uzohlala nathi la ekhaya uzongena la egarage nomndeni wakhe until wena no Susan until nize nibe right and find your feet. Baya understand lento ukuthi lo muntu sizomthwala ngisho ngaba yikhehla until impilo yakhe ibe right. Vele the reason nikuthathela phansi ukuzala izingane it's because vele nibalahla besazelwe besamasojana bekuhlaza besaphethwe wonina bephuma lapha nabo ezibhedlela niyabalahla because why izingane ni understand ukuthi nizalelani. You don't understand ukuthi izingane izalwe umuntu onjani. Not everyone has a right to have a kid. Not everyone should be having a kid. Scratch that right part. You can have a kid. But nje, it's not everyone who should be having kids. It's not everyone who should be entertaining indaba zomjolo. And yes, I am saying ukuthi if you're not financially stable, you have no business. Because why impilo castrateile. Great nations or China or Russia or bani wabona ukuthi mhla kufanele benqobe balimita lento yomajolana nomazalana bafocusa in industrializing themselves, in militarizing themselves. Wena ubhizi ukhulumela ukunturula, ubhizi ulwela ukuthi wena ufuna ukubhabhabala ujolwe. And it's men who are losing their minds. Women are agreeing ukuthi we must guard our wombs. Men abantu fanele ngabe ibona amavuka libambe alwelizwe. Men are the ones who are fighting for pussy. Ilale kahle.